Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a clean with me. As you can see, my bathroom is a hot mess and it needs some help. So today I'm going to show you guys what I do to get my bathroom back in order. So to start off, I am cleaning the shower / bathtub. I'm taking everything out of there and I'm just setting it aside so that way I can really get in there and spray everything down. Next up, I'm taking this Method foaming cleaner in eucalyptus mint. I love this product. I hate the sprayer on this, but I actually love the product. I think it's really great to clean your shower / bathtub. It doesn't have a harsh chemical smell, and it's similar to like scrubbing bubbles. So if you guys have ever tried scrubbing bubbles, that's what I would say this is, but it's like a non-toxic version of that, and it just smells really good. I hate it whenever I clean and everything has that chemical smell. It actually gives me a headache. So I really love like Method products because they don't have that smell to them and they still work really well. So as you can see, I'm just scrubbing everything down and getting it all clean. And it's pretty self-explanatory. You probably all know how to scrub down a bathroom, right? Once I've scrubbed the whole bathtub, then I take a cup and I just rinse everything so that way I get any leftover product or anything like that off of there and it just goes down the drain. It's wonderful. So yeah, just rinsing down the bathtub. Now I'm taking the Method Anti-Bac in the scent, I don't remember the scent, Wildflower maybe, and I'm kind of wiping down the side of the bathtub. It's really hard to rinse that because then it goes all over the floor, so I like to just take something and wipe it up. So I just used the Anti-Bac spray and it worked and did its thing. I don't necessarily like that product as much because it does have more of a like the chemical smell that I don't like, which I think it's still non-toxic, it's still like good, but you know, it's an antibacterial thing, so there's more to it than their normal sprays, I guess. I don't know. And then I'm going to show you guys how I just pick up everything from my counter, putting my hair straightener away. I had to leave it out so it could cool. And then I'm taking the hair out of my hairbrush because, ew, I can't even stand it. Next, I'm just putting everything in its place, you know, put stuff in my drawer. I'm putting my makeup back in this little makeup caddy. I believe I got this, I don't know, either at Walmart or Target you can get them, and I just like putting my everyday makeup in there. This is definitely not my full makeup collection. If you guys want to see a full makeup collection, let me know in the comments down below, but this is just kind of my everyday like minimal makeup, and I'm just kind of trying to somewhat organize it. I had gone out of town, so I had taken everything out of this little caddy and it was all over the bathroom counter because I got ready this morning. So I just decided to show you guys how I'm kind of organizing it and putting it in its place. Now I'm just going to be taking the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner in the scent Mint, and then I'm going to be spraying that all over my mirror. I've heard that this is really streaky. I didn't notice a ton of streaking with it, but I also had heard that you really have to, you know, work with it and whatever, so I really tried to wipe it down as best I could, so maybe that was the secret. I'm not really sure. I'll continue using this product and let you guys know what I think about it. Wipe down the counter, I'm using the Method Anti-Bac in the scent Wildflower. Again, not a huge fan of the smell of this product, but I do like that it has that antibacterial sort of thing going on. So that's why I wanted to use it, because bathroom germs are kind of gross. But normally I would just use like an all-purpose spray, something that smells really nice. But since it had been like a week and a half to 2 weeks since I really properly cleaned my bathroom, I just decided to use this Anti-Bac spray. So it's not all bad, but it's definitely not my favorite Method product by any means. So I did spray it in the sink, but I then decided to go behind it and use that bathroom foaming spray to wash out my sink because I noticed that I needed to like actually take a sponge and scrub it. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just spraying it in the sink and then I'm just scrubbing it down so that way I get like all the gross stuff out of my sink. Now moving on to the toilet, I'm using the Method Anti-Bac Toilet Cleaner, I guess is what it's called. And this is in the scent Spearmint. And I just take that and I take my little bathroom scrubber thing and I just go ahead and scrub that. I know some people think that the little scrubber things are gross, which they definitely are, but I also don't want to buy like the reusable ones because I feel like it gets too expensive. So then after that, I'm taking the Method Anti-Bac in the scent Wildflower once again, and I'm just wiping down the toilet. I would have used a microfiber cloth, but I decided to use paper towels because toilets are really gross. And so I was just like, let's just use paper towels. We can throw them away, whatever. But I'm just wiping down the toilet. I didn't feel like the toilet was super dirty because it hadn't been that long since I cleaned the bathroom, but still, toilets are just gross. So figured it was best to use like the anti-bac spray and paper towels and just call it good, you know? Next up, it was time to dump the trash. So I dumped it and then I put a Target bag in so that way next time it would be super easy to take the trash out. And last but not least, I am sweeping and then mopping. So I just use a normal broom. I sweep up everything and then I'm taking the Method Squirt and Mop in Spearmint Sage and I'm covering the floor with that. And then I'm gonna take my Swiffer and just mop that up. As you can see, there's kind of like some streakiness. That was because the Swiffer pad was weird, but normally it doesn't do that. And now I'm just giving you an overview of how the bathroom looks after I've cleaned it. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. Give it a thumbs up if you want to see more cleaning videos. So leave a comment down below like what cleaners you're loving, your favorite cleaning tips, your favorite products, your favorite like hacks, ways to make this easier. Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Press that bell notification if you guys want to be informed every time I upload. You'll get like an email sent to you to let you know that I have uploaded. So make sure that you do all of that and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.